The Rohini College of Engineering and Technology. So Michael, Assistant Professor, Department of Civil Engineering. So today we have seen about the radioactive nuclear wastes. So we have the using the radioactive wastes, how to uh, radioactive nuclear wastes are disposed. So naturally radioactive is found everywhere, but radioactive wastes have higher radioactivity levels than normal. So, maximum they're contaminated by the medicines, industries, and research, and contaminated the activated materials from the operation of decommissioning of nuclear power stations, from the production of dismantling of nuclear weapons. So, even though quantities are rather small, concern is usually focused on the most toxic and longest lived spent fuel high level waste. So, this is called as a SF/HLW, which is a radioactive over the first few hundred years. The resultant heat production has to be taken into account. So SF means, so we know that the SF means a spent fuel. So spent fuel rods from nuclear reactors conditioned for direct replaceable. The HLW, the high level waste resulting from the reprocessing of spent fuel rods. So TRU or ILW, this waste is classified as intermediate level waste. This is called as ILW. Then low heat production but contains significant concentrations of long-lived radionuclides. Then L slash ILW, so low intermediate level waste, very wide diversity of radioactive materials from the nuclear power plant industries and uses of radionuclides in medicines, industries and research. Condition in a solid form A for disposal. So the diagram, see that. So reprocessing fuel element fabrications is a come from the NPP operations. So the NPP operations also it comes of the new fuel elements. Then high level waste is verified. So this is directly comes from the internal storage. So internal storage is directly comes from the spent fuel from the NPP operations. So we have the separate three NPP types. So first one is the NPP operations, then NPP decommissioning, then medicine, industry and research areas. So the SF is a spent fuel. This is coming from the NPP operation. Then TRE is nothing but the intermediate level waste ILW. So this is also coming from the processing the fuel element fabrications and the NPP decommissioning. Then intern storage, then finally the TRU weigh the geological disposal repository for SF, HLW and LDW. So the intern storage is three intern storages. So the three intern storages come from the NPP operations, then NPP decommissioning and medicine industries and research. So then low and intermediate then level wastage. So geological disposal repository for ILW. Then is used for burn bundles of nuclear pellets and rods are generally known as the spent fuel nuclear fuel. The spent nuclear fuel is full of plutonium, uranium, which is reprocessed to extract usable uranium and plutonium in reprocessing plants. So after the completion of reprocessing and extracting the uranium and plutonium, but the liquid is left. So during reprocessing, the spent nuclear fuel is dissolved in acid and undergoes different stages of processing. The extracted uranium and plutonium is used again as fuel in bundles after forming pellets. Then the leftover liquid, however, contains long-lived radioactive waste is known as the high-level radioactive waste. It includes plutonium, strontium, cesium, uranium, etc. Out of these, the strontium and cesium are highly active and the main source of heat. So water reduces the nuclear waste, then liquefied waste is difficult to handle. Therefore, it is solidified by mixing glass matrix or ceramics or polymer. And thank you.